Closer look at it. This is the level. This is how high from the ground you want it. So if you move this to the lower, this is the lowest part to the ground. How close to the ground? This is number 2, and so on. So this is the high. This is the highest level from the ground it can cut. So as you see, I assembled it without even reading the manual. And here, this is your lock, the handle of the angle. So if you release this one, you can get this handle up or down. So this one, these are the side locks. And the bag, as you saw me putting it very simple. This is, you lift this up, and the bag will it have a lock or a notch here, and it can fit. It fit exactly where it's supposed to fit. And as you see, it is already cutting some grass. And that is the side where you adjust. You cannot adjust the side up and down. You can just tighten it from here. And to turn it on, number one, you push the bottom in, and you have to relieve to pull that cable up, and it will go on. That's all it takes. I haven't used that part yet. That's for the cable, just to keep the cable from bending around. And that is, I think, you can just get your cable attached. You have to drag the cable behind you. This is the cable. This is a corded connection, and it is great. It is great in terms. It is very simple. It did not take too much for me to assemble it.